Welcome to this lesson about installing the Gogga into Delphi 7. The first thing you must do is download the Gogga IT files for Delphi 7 from our website at www.ssir.co.za, and it is stored within the Delphi course where you found this video. If you don't have access to our Delphi course, you can contact us on info@ssir.co.za. I have downloaded this file already, and here it is. This file must be unzipped, and you can use WinZip or WinRAR in order to unzip it. WinZip you'll find from winzip.com and WinRAR from rarlab.com. When you unzip this RAR file, it will produce these 4 files. And it's these 4 files that I'm going to select and copy into a place where Delphi can find them. So, right click, copy, and now I want to go to the root of my C drive. And here I want to create a folder called IT files. In this folder I'm going to paste the 4 files that I've just created, or that I've just extracted. Now back to Delphi, and in Delphi 7 we go to the Tools menu, click on Environment Options, click on the Library tab. I want to add the IT files to this library path. So we click on these 3 little dots at the end, and I'm going to browse down to the IT files directory. Now I'm at the moment in bin in Delphi 7 SE, so there's my local C drive, and a few down is the new IT files folder. Click on OK. It places the path to that folder over here, and I'm going to say add, and there it is. Now click on OK and OK again. So right now the IT files directory has been put in the search path for Delphi. To create our first program in Delphi, let's save our program immediately. Click on Save All, drive to the directory or folder where you want to save your Delphi programs. I want to save mine in 10IT Delphi. Create a new folder, and let's call this folder the Make Square folder. And inside the Make Square folder, I'm going to save my unit as Make Square _U, enter, and my project as Make Square _P. You will see that the Save All buttons have been grayed out, and this program has been saved. Press F12 to switch to the programming window or the code editor window, and under Users, behind the last word that is there, put a comma, and now we are going to make use of Goggas. Type it in there after dialogues and before the semicolon. Put a button on our form. Change the name of this button to button run, btn run. Double click on the button and let's add some code. I need a variable of type, well, let's call it bug :t Gogga. Within the button's body we will create our first Gogga. I would like you to indent with 2 spaces, and now we can say bug : equals t Gogga dot create. It's a fine time to save all and then run it, and let's see what happens. Button run, and there's my Gogga on its field where it can move around. Let's add a few more lines to give you the feel of how and what this Gogga can do. Bug.move, bug.turn left, bug.move, and bug.turn left. And that's probably enough for now. Let's run it again by pressing F9. And there our Gogga runs and moves around on the form. I think that's sufficient to get you going with Gogga.